Y'all, I had this conversation last night with some family members. We was talking for about 2.5 hours, and some of that discussion was good. But here was my takeaway from that conversation. You know what? No matter how many times you acknowledge that what you did to them was wrong, no matter how many times you apologize and say that you're sorry, no matter how many times you express regret, no matter how many times you express remorse, no matter how many times you ask them to forgive you, and no matter all of your efforts to show them that you are trying to be and do better, the fact remains. If they don't want to let go of what you did to them, if they don't want to forgive you for what you did to them, all of your efforts ain't going to change how they think and feel about you. And guess what? Ain't nothing you can do to change them.